Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this short quick tip video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the browsing history in Safari on your iPhone. So simply open up Safari and press the three dots button at the bottom on the toolbar, the options button. Then we're going to tap onto bookmarks. Hang on, we're doing our history, we're going to just go with it. Tap onto bookmarks here. This will show all of your favourite websites, but in the middle we can also tap onto the clock, and that will bring up your Safari browsing history, all the websites that you visited on your phone. Now, we want to clear some of this history. In fact, I want to clear the most recent website I've visited, which is my website. Of course, I'd hate for you to forget about that, so maybe you should subscribe instead, and then you won't ever forget these videos, and you'll get loads more iPhone tips and tricks too. Okay, so we're going to press the three dots in the top corner, and then we can tap onto Clear History. From here, you can choose how much you want to clear, the last hour, maybe the last couple of days, the last week, or everything. And there's even a nice option here to close all of your open tabs if you want to. Then you can simply tap onto Clear History, and whatever you've chosen will be removed from your phone. Even if you're not clearing the history, this is a great way to clear open tabs. Sometimes I've got hundreds of tabs on the go, I never go back to them, but this button closes them all in one go and I can start fresh. So that's a great iPhone quick tip for you, and if you want some more, check out my channel down below. There are hundreds and hundreds there. I'll see you next time.